It first started with this car versus this car. And now they battled. Both of these cars battled, but now the blue one is gone. Then there was this car and this car. And yeah, they versed. And they were battling each other. And this car won. Now we have made it to the championships. And whoever wins, just wins, but battle ready. So yeah, I'm the person that started this channel. My name is Preston, as you may know from Press Plays and Preston Vlogs. And I have started this channel with some Hot Wheels, and it got pretty popular. And then I'm like, let's make a part 2. So you might know this mascot from the start, but now we have some contestants. These cars right here will be battling each other until they win. Let's hope that this video is a really good video, and welcome to the championships. Battle ready. Flashback time from part 1 and then part 2. Part 1 replay. Golden Mcflurry. I just made up that name. Here's a little close up, yeah. And blue, purple, lightningy. Okay, please don't lights flicker again. So, flashback 2. I hope you like the next flashback. First contestant, this guy right over here. His name is Blue Thunder. This guy right here is See-Through Gray. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. And I put a lot of effort into this video because this is all edited and I got a flashback and stuff. So, yeah, you heard from the cutscene that Golden Mcflurry versus Blue Lightning, I'm pretty sure his name was, they are versing each other. And they have made it to the championships, which is good. Let's give a round of applause. Say in the comments down below, who do you think is going to win and stuff. Yeah, and let's get this party started already. Yeah, yeah, let's get the party started. Yeah, let's get it ready. We have gotten into it, and yeah, let's get on with it. How many times have I said that already? So, who should go first? Well, I don't know. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, I guess so. And I'm going to probably do it the old-fashioned way. I forgot the old-fashioned way, but I think I remember. I don't know, and I'm just going to show so that's fair and square. So, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a time, miny, mo. Okay, looks like Golden Guy. Golden Guy's going first. Yep. Let's take a real zoom in on this. No, let's not. And now up the elevators he goes. Looks like he's fine. How dare you? You just knocked over. No, let's not. And now up the elevators he goes. How dare you? You just knocked over. Okay. Last time this was a bad idea, but I'm doing. Wait, oh, what if I do this? No, it's stuck on there pretty good. So I actually don't know what this is set up to be. So wow, that's actually a really. What if we also do this? That looks like a cool thumbnail. Okay, I'm just gonna take a picture of this, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, ready to see the thumbnail? And wobbling. And that's the thumbnail. Let's get on to the video. Let's go. After all that shenanigans, I put the thumbnail in the video. As you can see, this few seconds ago, and yeah. So, I think it's 0-0 right now, and yeah, so let's take these cards. I'm pretty sure it's his turn, so, and yeah. What will happen? He just hit the cup again. No, wow. He has hit the cup again. What's that clicking noise? What was that? Okay, it's maybe TV behind the camera. TV, are you ready to show yourself? I think he programmed it like that. And yeah, there's TV. And after all that, I'm pretty sure it's Golden McFlurry's turn, so I don't know who I want to win, but let's get on with it. Okay, let's flashback that. First of all, okay, let's flashback right now. Okay, let's flash. Okay, I just added that really funny clip in there because I'm like, okay, yep. So I just take a screenshot, I just edit it, and I'm like, yeah, let's add this in the video. And then I'm zooming on my eye, my nose, my mouth. So I'm pretty sure it's one thing and one not. Remember what happened last video? Let's actually do a flashback on that. Flashback. Go to the championships. What the? What is this? Oh my goodness! What is that? Okay, let's just take that as a disclaimer. I don't know what that. Wow, that was like the wood like came right off. That never happens practically. So it's pretty sure 1 bite for him, 0 bites for him. So right now he's winning, and this time it's gonna be up to 4, unless it ties. So technically 5 or 4. Whoever gets up to 4. But if it turns into, yeah, you know, yeah. I'm just gonna keep my eye on the shark there. No. No. Please don't kill me. Okay, is that what I think I see right there? Is that what I think I see? I think I'm not seeing things. No. Okay. Let's. But wait. Remember this disgusting thing? Well, I'm about to drink it because it's the championships. It does not taste like normal water. It tastes chunky. Okay, is this expired? I think it expires on 2020. Yeah, July 2020. So, on 2020, July 18th, I will doing a video where I'm drinking this whole thing. Wait, does it expire on that day? So, okay, 17 maybe. So, I'm gonna have to drink all of this and more water probably. So, yeah, let's put that back there. And, well, that always gets me. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do a flashback on that. Well, let's put that back there. And, well, that always Okay. So, but that face that I put in the video, that was actually pretty funny. And remember? So let's put that back together. Okay. So it's 1-1 in hits. And yeah, I'm just gonna put you in here again because it's actually gonna be protected. Do you know why? We're gonna block it off this way. We're gonna make it go straight right into that old cup there that I have here. So, all right. Are you ready? Get set. Go. Okay, at least there's no... Okay, what's this? What about this? Wow. So, it's secure. That's good. So, I wonder if Mr. Shark is going to keep on biting these guys or what. So, if he gets bitten again, that's going to be his second, I believe. If he gets bitten, that'll be his third, fourth. I don't know what's going to happen though. So, this guy's turn, I believe. Okay, he got bitten. Okay, that's okay. So let's take this guy out. Hey, Mr. Shark. Mr. Shark, you little shark. You gotta stop that. Okay, he got bitten. Okay, that's okay. So let's take this guy out. Hey, Mr. Shark. Mr. Shark, you little shark. You gotta stop that. So I believe that it's this guy's turn. If he gets chomped, that would be 3 for him. And then 3 for this guy. And then 4 for this guy. So I'm just going to do it like that because I forget really easily. So let's get on with it. He gets bitten. Right into the Starbucks cup. That's great. Great. Now it's this guy's turn. Will he get bitten? Looks like he was free. That old cup just got knocked over. Next one. Oh, wow. Just wow. Good. So, I believe that this guy got chomped twice. The lightning guy got chomped twice, and this guy got chomped 3 times. Yes, I believe so. Okay, good. So, let's do it again. I think TV keeps on making that noise. Do you guys hear that noise? Oh no. He gets bitten. There we go. These teeth are wiggly here. Looks like the shark has wiggly teeth. Interesting. So, 2, 4. I'm just going to do it to 5. How about that? Yeah. Okay. It's 3 to 4. Yep, it's 3 to 4. Great. Yep. I'm just moving his wiggly teeth. Now it's this guy. Oh, do you know what that means? Everybody get ready and battle on. Battle ready, cars, because this is the last round before we see who the champions are. Let's go. Okay, I'm back from a little break, and I don't know who the next car is, and I believe it's Golden McFlurry. I don't know, but if he gets trumped, it still counts. But who's gonna be the winner? Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? He doesn't get chomped, but okay, he's good. He's good. He's good. He's good now. So, who else is gonna win? I never know. So, this guy. Okay, he's good. Whoa. All the way on the ground. So now, he's gonna wait. Ooh. Okay, this guy now. What? What? He just did a flip. You guys didn't see it, but you probably heard it. Okay, good, 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 good. And now, go, go, go. Okay, looks like the thing does something. Oh, you guys know who the champion is now, right? I just want to say, I just want to say that this was a really good video, pretty long, probably one of my longest Hot Wheels video, but I'm like let's say hi to the champion here right now. Say hi to the champion. And yeah, this was a really good season of the finals. Looks like he won. Golden McFlurry lost. And these players, they unfortunately did not make it. But yeah, I just want to say I hope you liked the season, and battle ready. I'm going to change the outro since this is the final season. But what was the outro again? I even forget how the outro again. Oh yeah. See you next time, battle ready.